Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Today in our math lecture, we will learn about 2D and 3D shapes. After this lesson, students shall be able to identify 2D and 3D shapes. Properties of 3D shapes. Dear students, as you can see here, 2D shapes are those shapes that can be drawn on flat surface. As you can see, this is a flat surface and here are some shapes: square, circle, triangle, rectangle are some of the 2D shapes. 2D shapes have only two measurements: square, circle, triangle, rectangle are some of the 2D shapes. What are 3D shapes? 3D means three-dimensional. These shapes are not flat. They have three measurements: length, breadth, and height. As you can see here, pyramid, cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere are some of the 3D shapes. Dear students, as you can see here, cube, cuboid. Dear students, as you can see here, cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid are quite similar. A cube has 6 faces. Each of the cube faces is square. Whereas in cuboid, 4 faces are rectangle and 2 are square. Now look at cylinder. Cylinder has 2 circle faces, this one, and 1 curved face, that is rolling one. Now class, come to the pyramid. As you can see here, pyramid has one flat surface, that is a square face. It has one square face and 4 triangle faces. What is triangle? You have learned about triangle in previous lesson. A three-side shape that are closed. So you can see triangle here. A pyramid has one square face and 4 triangle face. Let's come to the properties of 3D shapes. Faces, edges, corners. Face. A face is a flat or curved surface in a 3D shape. A cube has 6 faces. A cylinder has 3 faces. And sphere has just one face. Look here, a cube has 6 square faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back one is 6th one. Dear students, look at this cylinder. A cylinder has 2 circle faces and 1 curved face. Let's come to the edges. What are the edges? An edge is where 2 faces meet. As you can see here in the cuboid and cube. This is a edge. And corners. A vertex is a corner where edges meet. Look here. Look at this shape. What is vertex or corner? A vertex is a corner where edges meet. See, I have pointed it out. You can look different 3D shapes around you in your daily life. Students, let's recap what we read. Now we will see the faces, edges and corners of different shapes. Square base pyramid. As you can see here, this is a pyramid with a square base. It has 5 faces. One square base and 4 triangular base faces. So total is 5 edges, 8 edges and 5 corners. Cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. As I told you, 4 rectangular and 2 square. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. Triangular base pyramid. It is a pyramid that has 4 triangular sides. The base can be any triangle, but usually it is equilateral triangle. It has 4 faces, 6 edges and 4 corners. Students, I hope you have understood the topic clearly. Dear students, you can find different 3D shapes in your daily life. As you can see, dice is a perfect example of a cube. Tissue box is a cuboid. Have you played football? Tell me which shape is this? A football is a sphere. A birthday cap is a cone. Bottle can is a cylinder. Or have you seen a tissue roll? Yes, a tissue roll is also a cylinder. Now you will go to a park and you will find different 3D shapes there. And you will tell me which shapes you find there.